DJI Mini 5 Pro Lykus Case review. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at Lykus sent me their brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro case for review. So without any further ado, let's get to the review. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the Lykus case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Let's go ahead and get the battery holder and put that in first. And we're going to remove the outer skin there so we can go ahead and get the RC-2 controller in. Go ahead and put the batteries in. There's slots for them in the back. Let's go ahead and put the Mini 5 Pro in. And it fits very nicely and very easily in there. Let's go ahead and put the DJI 65-watt charger that I purchased separately. And put that in the front compartment and put the cord in the battery holder. There's an additional cord, and we're going to get another cord and put that in there too, because you can never have too many cords when you're out in the field. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take the filters and put them in the bottom of where the controller goes. And the props will fit in there as well too. And let's go ahead and get the controller in. Of course, you take the joysticks off when you're putting it in a case like this, and fit that in there. And of course, there's a nice card that Lykus provides to tell you what goes where, and it's pictorial and shows you very clearly where everything fits. And the two different controllers, the N3 and the R2. And the one thing I love about Lykus cases is those props do not stick above the phone. Let's go ahead and secure it here. Very easy to secure. And there's the pressure release valve, and that's the Lykus case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mini 5 Pro Lykus case review? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.